In a world where we are more connected than ever before, why do we often feel so disconnected? Today we are going to explore the powerful idea of disconnecting to reconnect. We've all been there. You grab your phone to check a notification and suddenly an hour has disappeared. Social media, emails and constant notifications have become integral to our daily lives. But what effect is this constant connectivity having on our well-being? Montage of people mindlessly scrolling on their phones, missing out on real-life interactions. Excessive screen time increases anxiety, depression and isolation. While we are more digitally connected, we often miss out on real-life connections. But what happens when we take a step back from our screens? When we choose to disconnect? We open ourselves up to reconnecting with the world around us and more importantly, with ourselves. Spending time offline can lead to numerous benefits. Improve mental health, better relationships, enhance creativity, increase productivity. Ready to give it a try? Here are some tips to help you disconnect and reconnect with what truly matters. Set boundaries. Create tech-free zones. Engage in offline activities. Practice mindfulness. Plan regular digital detoxes. We challenge you to disconnect to reconnect. Try it for a day, a weekend, or even just a few hours each evening. Remember, the digital world can wait. Your life, your moments, and your connections are happening right here and now. Disconnect to reconnect and rediscover the beauty of the world offline.